First, this is the operation video for a jelly welding machine. This is welding sample, stainless steel, silver, gold, and silver. Platinum, silver. Okay. First, turn on the power. This is live wire, null wire, and the ground wire. This is used to inject the purified water. This device is used to output the water. This one is foot switch. This is used for the protection gas. And this one is the manpower wire. First, press the button. The machine works. And then press the water pump button. The water began to inject. Okay, when it's finished, you can see from the panel. Okay, then press the start button. The machine is on power now. Okay, all finished, and then you can go on your work.